Alright, we returned back to the Indianapolis airport to check on these charging stations, see if these are still blocked up by these Teslas. And I was pretty certain that they were still going to be 48 hours, yeah, 8-hour maximum. Alright, so we still have electric vehicle charging. It is chock full today. And the fast chargers here, these 4 fast chargers are for non-Teslas. These are for combo and for and Chatamo. So none of these Teslas. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, this is an ICE car. So today this one is blocked with a gas car. That one should just be towed on out of here. Now this one is interesting. This Model S is not plugged in to the charger here, but I noticed, now this wasn't here yesterday, this one is actually charging. They're using their own charging cable, and it is actually plugged in to this wall outlet here. So I mean, kudos for them for finding a suitable way. However, it is a cock block to charger number 1. This guy here, this is a Audi or Renault or something, and that one's a gas vehicle blocking number 2. This Model 3 here is blocking charger number 3, and this Model Y is blocking charger number 4. I left them some little notes with their parking violation on there. Say parking at a non-Tesla charging station. So they got a nice little note there. It says so they're gonna have that to come back to until I get my orange stickers to where we'll be able to sticker them appropriately. Let's put this one. Let's put this one right in there. And then this guy, I almost can't be mad at this one because it's plugged in and charging, but still, bad etiquette to block other people's chargers. Just not cool, man. Now, in response to this, I have contacted Tesla to find out if we can get more charging stations added to this location, because we obviously need more Tesla chargers, and they could put some on another level. They could add some to that other side over there. So I'm trying to find out who they need to contact to get more chargers in here. 14 cars today at the Indianapolis charging stations. So no free fast charging for me if I wanted to, because all 4 of my chargers, look, you guys have the biggest charging network in the world. Please don't block the combo and the CSS guys. Come on, I'm a big fan of Tesla, but when you guys do this, that's just rude. That's almost worse than being iced by a gas car. Being iced by your own cousins? Come on. Let's all play nice, man.